Path issue with Pytest ImportError, no module named YadaYadaYada. I used easy_install to install Pytest on a Mac and started writing tests for a project with a file structure like so. Run py.test while in the repo directory, everything behaves as you would expect. But when I try that same thing on either Linux or Windows, both have Pytest 2.2.3 on them, it barks whenever it hits its first import of something from my application path. Say for instance from app import some_def_in_app. Do I need to be editing my path to run py.test on these systems? Has anyone experienced this?
Yes, the source folder is not in Python's path if you cd to the tests directory. You have two choices. Add the path manually to the test files. Something like this. Run the tests with the environment var python path equals ...
I had the same problem. I fixed it by adding an empty __init__.py file to my tests directory.
I'm not sure why py.test does not add the current directory in the Python path itself, but here's a workaround to be executed from the root of your repository. It works because Python adds the current directory in the Python path for you.
Run Pytest itself as a module with Python Pytest tests. This happens when the project hierarchy is, for example, package/src package/tests, and in tests you import from src. Executing as a module will consider imports as absolute rather than relative to the execution location.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.